Well, in my family, Yiddish was the lingua franca, and I actually didn't learn English until I went to kindergarten. So my mother brought me to school, and they said, "What's her name?" And she said, "Her name is Deena," because that is my name. And the school clerk said there is no such name. So my mother, who was a rather timid immigrant, said, "Then what is her name?" And they said, "Diana." And that's how I became Diana. My birth certificate says Deena. I was always called Deena, but my name, and the name I use, is Diana.